Respected Secretary Sir, Principal Sir, TIC Ma'am, Dr. Amit Kumar Sir and all the teachers. Good morning to all of you and wishing you a very happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Its aim is to purify our mind, body and soul. It maintains a connection between ourselves and Mother Nature. Due to the crisis of COVID-19, this year International Yoga Day will be celebrated on digital media platforms on the theme Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Yoga itself plays a significant role in boosting our immunity and in curing respiratory disorders. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015 across the world with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. This year we are celebrating the 6th International Yoga Day. This day shares a special significance in many parts of the world. This day is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. Actually, yoga itself is a very old practice. Its origin can be traced back to Lord Shiva, who is also called Adi Yogi and is known as the teacher to all the yogis in the world. So, true yoga is not about the shaping of our body, it is about the shaping of our life. It is not a workout, it is a work in. This is a spiritual practice. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji focused on its awareness and declared 21st June as International Yoga Day. So, my dear friends, our soul is our best friend. We should treat it with care and feed it with love. Make yoga part of your life, live it and enjoy your life. Thank you.
सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा सुप्रभात एवं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस हर साल 21 जून को पूरे विश्व में मनाया जाता है। यह दिन साल का सबसे लंबा दिन होता है और योग भी इंसान को लंबी उम्र देता है। आमतौर पर योग दिवस लोगों को योग के फायदे के बारे में जागरूक कराने के लिए मनाया जाता है। पहला अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस 21 जून 2015 को मनाया गया था। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने सितंबर 2014 को योग दिवस का प्रस्ताव रखा। संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने दिसंबर 2014 को 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस घोषित किया। योग दुनिया भर में चुनौतीपूर्ण बीमारियों की दर को कम करने में सक्षम है। आज की तेज़ रफ्तार ज़िंदगी में अनेक ऐसे पल हैं जो हमारी गति पर प्रतिबंध लगा देते हैं। हमारे आसपास अनेक ऐसे कारण विद्यमान हैं जो तनाव, थकान तथा चिड़चिड़ाहट को जन्म देते हैं, जिससे हमारी ज़िंदगी अस्त व्यस्त हो जाती है। ऐसे में ज़िंदगी को स्वस्थ तथा ऊर्जावान बनाए रखने के लिए योग एक रामबाण दवा है। अगर हम योग के इतिहास की बात करें तो योग की शुरुआत भारत में पूर्व वैदिक काल में हुई थी। योग भारत की धरोहर है और हजारों सालों से भारतीयों की जीवन शैली का हिस्सा रही है। योग एक मानसिक एवं आध्यात्मिक अभ्यास है जो हमारे शरीर और मन को सक्रिय करता है। योग शरीर में रोग प्रतिरोध क्षमता का विकास करता है। गीता में भी लिखा है, योग स्वयं को स्वयं के माध्यम से स्वयं तक पहुंचाने की यात्रा है। आइए हम भी इस यात्रा में शामिल हो जाएं और जीवन को सफल बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Nisa Prasad from Kuntala Das College of Education going to say about the importance of yoga in our daily life on this International Yoga Day. The International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st of June. The International Yoga Day has been adopted to let people know the amazing and the natural benefits of yoga, to promote better mental and physical health of people through yoga practice. It is not just a physical exercise. Yoga is the most effective way of connecting your soul to God. It balances our mind and body and connects us to the natural world and helps us appreciate the world in healthier approach. Meditation, a form of yoga, helps us think about life and the supreme power God, which makes us a better person and helps to make better decisions about life. Meditation is the most favorable method of balancing the psychological level of a person. I have learned yoga as a student in my school, and as my personal experiences, it is the best way to commence your day with. Every schools and colleges should have a yoga session. Let us all come together and celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st of June and give ourselves the gift of well-being. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to our respected teachers and my dear friends. Before starting my speech, I am very grateful to our respected Amit Das sir who gave me such a wonderful opportunity. An amazing quote by Sri Ravi Shankar ji is, "We all want happiness, and yoga is the way for that much needed happiness factor in life." Yoga. We are all born to hear that word more time today. I mean, after all, today is Yoga Day as declared by the United Nations, and I'm pretty sure that no matter when we hear that accursed word, we are going to put some flauns and do some vaguely dissimilar poses, mostly just for the sake of doing it. But wait, here's the difference. Today we are here to change the misconceptions, or more precisely, we hope of doing so. Exercises are like prose, whereas yoga is the poetry of the moments. Yoga has that rhythm and sense of purpose that other exercises just fail to instill in you. But yoga goes beyond just the physical realm, it develops deep in the realm of the spiritual. On the whole, yoga is not just testing one's flexibility or endurance, it is also about anything attaining a peaceful state of mind. That's all for my speech. I would like to end my speech by this incredible quote of the Rolf Gates. Yoga is not a workout, it is a work in. And this is the point of spiritual practice to make us teachable, to open up our hearts and focus our awareness so that we can know what we already know and be who we already are. Thank you, everyone.